Now this year, Roots and Rhythm collaboration, you know, coming in a way out west style, right? For we have all seen the vision, a lovely vision of aloha, pure aloha. Rock to the rhythm in a roots styling, vision of aloha, come wine hiding with the drum, the bass, the drum come dropping, with the way I wish, and we're never stopping. Cause like a one drop when the visual writing, rip on the mic when the good teaching, not a mind, not a piece, where they keep sampling with the pure aloha shining.
You just can't say, I suppose it would be wrong. What's in store for today? And don't let them say you don't belong. Cause life comes at you from a hidden door and leaves you wanting so much more. So many ways to leave it all, and still I sing this song.
To make things go right, we want the unity. So stop the fussing and